Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to Files, so basically you can transfer like images, videos, audios, recent, downloads. So let's transfer some images, for example these two. So to select them you hold down your finger on them, so then you can select them just by tapping. Then tap on three dots here, select if you want to move this image or if you want to copy it. So let's copy. Then we select where to, in our case to SD card. You can select any folder you like. Wait, let's do it once again. Copy to, just to SD card without any Android. Tap copy. And now you will have this image here on your SD card. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.